and welcome aboard the Safari Express Miniature Train. Before we get going, just friendly reminder to please remain seated and keep those hands on your seat legs inside the train at all times. And it looks like we're all ready to get going, so if we're ready, can I get a great big all aboard? All aboard! Wonderful! On the right hand side, we have a very tall home sweet home to two very tall giraffes, Jagger and Milo. Giraffes are the tallest land animal, reaching approximately 5.5 meters tall. This earned them the title of watchtowers of the savannah because once they start to run, other prey animals know to run too. If you were to ever see our giraffes eating their delicious browse, you might notice that they have quite long, dark tongues. Those tongues are 46 centimeters long, and they're a dark shade of purple to help prevent them from getting sunburned. These tongues are also prehensile, and they act like hands reaching out to grab the leaves off the trees. Inside this habitat here we have our sulcata tortoises, the Porus optimus, and Big Pie. These guys are currently inside their house right now. Continuing ahead here on the right-hand side, we have our African lions. In the habitat closest to us, we have Boomer and Tess. In the middle, we have our sweet girl Pumpkin. And in the far enclosure there, we have Castle and Prim. Lions are the only social species of big cats living in groups called prides, with the females being the hunters and the males defending the territory and looking after the cubs. Up against this is in order to make way for a new train coming very soon. In the meantime, I can tell you another fun fact about flamingos. If you were to look at their legs and you see that knob right in the middle, you may think that is their knees, but it is actually their ankles. Their knees are found all the way up over where our hips would be. Another cool thing about and they will filter out the food so that they're able to get all the food that they need. Continuing ahead on the left-hand side, we have our conservation corner where you can learn about a few of our local conservation initiatives for our native. And in fact, they can't even float. Instead, they'll walk along the bottom of the pond very soon as it's a long way down. Because they can come in multiple different colors between red, black, silver, and I don't know about you, but Holly Mayhem sounds like an epic Christmas movie. And gray pandas were actually made first, and because panda bears are technically bears, these guys are the only true panda. Now, I don't know about you, but when I first learned that fact, I was like, yeah, this is so true. All the water from the foods that they eat as the dew is released into the air. These guys is that they actually rarely sweat. They can raise their body temperature up to 46 degrees Celsius. And because of that, they actually are able to hold on to all the water in their bodies so that they don't dehydrate as quickly in such a harsh environment. Do you guys know why zebras are striped? Because they don't want to be spotted. All jokes aside though,
is that a hippo? Atlas? Is that a hippo? It's a